Hello CMA students, if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more CMA related issues. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel is more most beautiful and click the like button. So here it is step by step instructions for still lot of students are struggling to how to access the online examination without any hassles, without any hassles. Don't need to be angry about the institute and anxiety. Don't take any pressure of CMA examinations. Be free and study yourself as per your according to study your plan. So make your consistency, that is the key to success and to forward. So here it is the make a video for you candidate guide for ICA. This guide is given by our institute. So remember is I don't spread any fake news. It is clearly mentioned the icon, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India students given the a lot of students did not listen to patiently reading. That is, a lot of students are struggling with facing the issues. So, candidate guide for ICA, the institute. This guide is given by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So, what is that? So, table of contents, systems requirement, getting ready for the examination, install tool app for our examination, starting the examination ethics, and then frequently asked questions and resolutions. So, next, first point, the system requirements. Candidate conducting online assessment for PC, laptop, tablet, and everything. So whatever gadgets, first minimum requirements speed with 1 Mbps. So stay safe by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, our institute operating system. So Android Abo and everything, Adobe Flash Work, Google Chrome latest version. So JavaScript must be enabled, PC, laptop, disable antivirus, and ensure the time is set as an Indian standard time. So ensure your time is set as an Indian standard time. Webcam and microphone. Application for tablets and cubes assessments. Download from the Play Store and self-assessment tool and PC and whatever may be. So system check. Please ensure to check your system. The following link will be available. So here it is mentioned. So check your system and check your audio like this. So that after checking this, the system is good to go. So release. So please check your again. So Windows 10 and everything. Enable Chrome and tick. So all green tick marks. So your photo will be appear here like this example. So next. So please important instructions. Please system must have Google Chrome latest version, clear cache browsing history, and downloads app tool. Please ensure the camera and microphone is not enabled. It refers to the steps and unlock the same. Open the Google Chrome, click the icon on the extreme right side of the address bar. Google Chrome, click the settings of privacy setting. I click the site and setting. So like this, I already made the Google Chrome settings just like this, like PDF. So please read the institute meeting guide and everything step by step with patience. This is the patience ball game. If you don't give patience, you out. So this out of the profession. So out of the pavilion. So that is the key to be a patient and hit the runs and make a run. Hit the runs means you score the subjects marks. So please patience and hit the scores and we make a centurion. So that is the key to success. Be patient. This is the patience ball game. You are into the professional world. First of all, listen and read the step-by-step instructions here. Follow my video once again. So I will just like taken into the image, convert into the images for easily understand. Cubes and install and open like this. And so after that, so like this, and then please ensure. After that, these are the examinations and everything. After that, click here assessment. So please ensure that all the tick mark will be given. So like this. So please drag this icon. So click the drag icon. This will be a webcam audio protected assessment. So please click the drag down. After that, drag down. So you see the images clearly. We understood. So click the accept and then start now. Here it is tick mark, just tick mark. And then we start the examination. Face will be not detected. Please click here, click again. If your face is not detected, please click again. So next we move to the take picture and then procedure. Remember, any upload, any photo ID is allowable. So example is Aadhaar card. We upload for institute identity card also. So after that, the question paper will automatically after uploaded, the question paper will be uploaded. So here it is, we answer attempt the questions, no need to worry, automatically will questions. So institute will be A4 black sheet or A4 black pen. So click here the captions and select easily. So just follow and then yes, no need to, after yes, submit your answer. All will be examination ethics. System detect your face, ensure you don't move out. System does not video protecting, ensure you don't indulge into the cheating. So system detects other objects like mobile phones and microphones and everything will be detected by system. System detects multiple faces and system detects Windows just follow and multiple logins. System detects multiple login, ensure the login from one system only. So only one system you log in again. So click here. So frequently asked questions, this is first question number 1, how to check your Windows version. So answer is follow the below the step. Click the start button and then go and settings and system and about. The version of the Windows will be mentioned under the Windows specification. And then next question number 2, how to check your version of browser. Follow the steps. Answer is follow the step. Open the Google Chrome, click the 3 dot buttons and right corner and at the top right corner help and about and Google Chrome, check the version number and click the update if there is any update option. Next we move to the question number 3, how to clear cache from the system. Answer is follow the below the step. Open the Google Chrome, again you click on the 3 dots on the top right corner and then more tools. Click on the right clear browsing data, the clear data after checking the radio button of browsing history. How to give a microphone on webcam access on Google Chrome. Follow the below step. Open the Google Chrome and click the right top buttons on right corner and then setting, then on setting, go to the privacy and settings and allow the webcam and microphone and handling the errors like this. So remember, a lot of students are troubling this. Watch again. So here it is. SAP tool is getting deleted or downloaded. Disable antivirus first before installing. Disable antivirus first. So disable antivirus first. So after that restart again and install the SAP tool. If you already installed, please uninstall and disable your antivirus. That is very important. This is the handling of errors while doing the SAP tool. So next question, handling the errors while downloading SAP tool. Please download install a latest Microsoft .NET framework. It will be available internet also. If any searching problem, institute also given the link here. Please click the .NET Microsoft and download and .NET framework. So I already made the video for that. Go to the system preferences in the control panel and download all system preferences and click the also we found out the Microsoft .NET framework in this is the Windows 10 is must be installed in your PC, otherwise you can't access the online examination. So this is this question number 6. We hope you'll understand handling the errors while downloading SAP tool. Disable your antivirus first and then install the Microsoft .NET and restart your system and then install the SAP tool. And also if you any disable antivirus for permanently, that is the key. If don't install 10 minutes or 15 minutes, disable antivirus is permanently. After that restart your system and click the Microsoft .NET install and restart again, and that error will be after installing the SAP tool. So don't need to worry about the handling errors will be finished. We see. So handling errors while opening the SAP tool. So Windows protect your PC. Power kick and then click run away. Handling errors while opening SAP tool. So error is Windows protect your PC. Windows Defender Smart Cap prevent unauthorized option. So please disable this also. Click here more info and run away. So like this error. So next is question number 8. Handling errors while opening SAP tool. Windows protect your PC. Please ensure. So the webcam, no need to worry about that. If your webcam is functioning well, then please ignore this error. So please ignore this error. So that is the institute's step by question number 8, frequently asked the questions by the students. Next question number 9, connecting with the server. Follow the step. Reason no internet submission during. So please update your data from your nearest operator, what your network you are using. Correct your server. Please looks like this. There is a issue of your internet connection. Don't panic. We are trying to submit your answer. Meanwhile, due to the following, check your network connection to ensure ensure to its working. Note down your reference ID and answers shown the below on the piece of paper. Submit to the its invigilator. If this take the from home test, please mail from the mail from supportcodeuse.com including your name and everything and give your test. That's it. For any internet issue, submit during the submission. So submission file are following the steps. No need internet during submission. Please call the technical support number to help the submit your answer. So our reference ID, please your answer sheet and reference ID will be shown on the screen. So please remember write it and submit your the technical support number. So next question number 11 seems like to type a wrong URL or followed bad link. Follow the below steps. Reason inaccurate access to an assessment URL. Please restart your system and enter correct access to assessment URL. And seems like to type your wrong URL and follow the bad link. Question number 12. Question paper will be not visible at the start of assessment. Follow the step. Reason no internet start the examination. Restart your hotspot and establish the real. So restart your router and hotspot to establish the internet connection. Please, if the issue persists, shut down your system and start again. This is the unable to load the error, wrote the paper, check your internet connection and log in again. So good. This question paper will not visible at the start of assessment. This is the reason. Question number 12 is the frequently asked by the students. This will be covered. So error on consent page. Question number 13. Follow the below the steps. Reasons for clicking the don't accept. That is the reason. Please click the accept while a webcam also will be accessible. This is the reason for webcam not shown in the main examination. Please accept the webcam. So unable, question number 14, unable to set up the audio protocol is also same error because your system is unable to detect the audio. Please enable audio devices in your system. Go to the device manager and enable. So attach webcam and microphone to support video protectors. Error system is unable to detect an audio and webcam design. Give access to the microphone. Give the access to the microphone and webcam when permitting by system. If your system is still getting error, restart system and clear cache. So remember it, clear cache and log in again. So that is the reason after exam you are finishing, please clear exam and restart again. So question number 16, candidate is an incorrect login place. Follow this rule. So follow the below step. Reasons the candidates are incorrect in access tool and restart the system. The online exam, this is the query. Restart the incorrect login page. Correct candidate is on incorrect login page. Is follow the below step. Reason on candidate enter into the login, correct access and everything. So this is the reason. Question number 17. We move into the question number 17. Unable to detect the face. Follow the below steps. Reason candidate face is not visible on webcam because don't hide your face and move or away from the camera at any point of time during the examination. If you are using the pen or paper calculator during the examination, keep looking at the screen to avoid this prompt. To keep looking at the webcam is always very important. So question number 18, wrong sign. This is the very important. Lot of students are providing. This assessment will open on save tool because this is the network. Candidate is opening the test in webcam browser or internet exam. This is the internet issue. Please restart your system and enter correct access token. And ensure the system is constant internet connection. So please enable your internet connection without data with costly. So this is the internet connection error for this. So restart again internet connection and browser. So that's it. This error will be sorted out. Invalid time and error under SAP tool. Follow below step. Reason is incorrect time zone. So you are in Indian Standard Time IST. Please select from the start menu and navigate to your control panel. So navigate from start menu, click the start button and navigate to the control panel and Windows icons with the double click and click clock and language and region under Titan time and click the change the time zone. A window displaying a clock will appear. Below the clock we will see the current time zone is change the time change. So remember it. This is a lot of students of time zone. Change the time zone. This is very important and semicolon and click on the button and select that new zone from drop down menu that appears. Drop down menu will change the display the selection and select the UTCC and Chennai, Kolkata and Mumbai. This is our Indian Standard Time. UTC plus Universal Coordination Time, that is the UTC means plus 5:30. So New Delhi, and restart your system and open the SAP tool again. So this is the instructions. Question number, all 19 questions of frequently asked questions will be explained in detail. So if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. If any doubts, comment below. So thanks for watching. Any doubt, any problems or queries, please technical support assistant will be available on shared on one day before the examination. So please follow the technical issues and please ensure you update your details of the institute. So thanks for watching. This is the online examination. If you like it, please subscribe to subscribe channel. If anyone faces it problems, become a CMA, true CMA. Always be patient and start your as per your time concern. Thanks for watching.